Hey, good morning from North Georgia. I hope everybody's having a good Friday. I realized last night that I've been extremely rude in not introducing you guys to this guy right here. His name's Obi, short for Obi-Wan. He's America's goodest boy. He's an Australian Shepherd, so maybe Australian's goodest boy. He loves the woods. He loves to chase squirrels. And yeah, this is him. Let me know if you guys have any questions about him. We're going to go on a short walk this morning. We got stuff to do today. But thank you for those people that have subscribed and liked and just watched the videos this week. Yeah, I hope everybody has a great weekend.